Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to today's Tip of the Day video. As you know, part of my mission is to guide people to an overall higher level of health. Now, when we have patients coming in, one of the questions that they ask me is, what's the best form of exercise? So I just got that question a couple of days ago. So I thought about, hey, you know what? Let me just inform everybody about this. So for me, most of the time, the best exercise that I would prescribe for most conditions, it will be swimming. Now, the question is, what do we do, like if you cannot swim or you can go to a pool? I like prescribing pool exercises for most of the patients because I feel like it's safe for almost all conditions. But then again, it's not always perfect, but for most conditions, I think that's the best. Now, if you have a pool that is close to where you are, there's a water, like a swimming pool facility, I suggest going there. Now, the question is, what do I do when I get there? Aside from swimming, a lot of my patients tell me, I don't like to do that because I can't swim. So if you cannot swim, these are a few things that you can do. All right. So one will be, you can actually just easily start walking in the pool, especially if the water is deep enough up to, let's say, your chest level here. When you walk to the pool, or when you walk in the pool, the water is gonna go against you. So it causes that mild resistance there, right? So it can be as simple as that. Or you can do a few things. One of them will be leg raises. Now, how do you do leg raises? I'll show you. So you can be just kind of like lifting your leg like this to the front. You're trying to go, of course, lift it against the water there, right? The harder the faster you try to move it, the harder it will feel because the water is gonna go against you. So you can go, to the side also, right? And you can also go to the back. So that will strengthen the front, the side, and the back muscles of your leg. Or you can actually be sitting, let's say, on a step there, and you can be, or even be standing on one leg, and then you can do leg extensions like this against the water. All right, so those are a few things you can do for the legs. Now, one thing you can do for the arms will be, you can squat down if it's shallow, or make sure the water goes to, let's say, the chest or the throat level here, and then you can do like shoulder flies like this, going up and down. So this will actually work when you're going up and even coming down. And also, some pool facilities will have weights that works well in the water. Definitely you can use those. It will be kind of like working out in the gym. All right. If you're more advanced, let's say you have bad pain on the back, knees or something, and you're not allowed to be jumping on on dry land, you can actually do jumping or jumping jacks in the swimming pool, because the water is going to cushion you because of the buoyancy, so you're not going to have that impact on your joints. All right. Or the most common one in the pool will be, why don't you start to swim? You can't swim, use a kickboard or hold on to the to the edge, right? And then you're going to be going like this, and then you're going to be kicking. So that will retrain your core, the midsection, the legs. It's a very good exercise. And if you know how to swim, then definitely you can go ahead and swim, as long as it's not contraindicated to your condition. Like some people might have shoulder problems, or some certain techniques may not be good for them. So you can consult your specialist and see which one will be contraindicated for you, or which one will specifically be good for you. All right. So if you like this video, let me know what you think. Feel free to share it. You can comment below. You can follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will see you guys next time in the next episode on how to end chronic pain. And stay pain-free and stay healthy. Bye.